All right, and right now I'd like to introduce a very talented young man, only just a fine songwriter and a good dancer, a good fiddle sawer there, and a good banjo pigger. Here's none other than John Hartford.
Swaying is a mighty fine boat. I got a mighty fine captain too. Got a big red wheel that goes around and around, and a bunch of old hippies for a crew. Well, I can't stay here. Well, I gotta get away. I'm Chattanooga, Tennessee bound. I'm gonna get my banjo and put it on my back when the Julie Bell comes down. When the Julie Bell comes down.